On June 19, 2023, the United States Air Force, U.S. B-1 bomber, once again carried out an important mission on NATO borders. This mission is part of the U.S. ongoing efforts to maintain security and stability in the region. The B-1 bomber, also known as the B-1 Lancer, is a long-range strategically capable bomber, equipped with a variety of advanced weapon systems. This aircraft is the backbone in supporting U.S. military operations in various regions. In this mission, U.S. B-1s conduct air patrols and surveillance along NATO borders. This aims to monitor and detect potential threats to NATO allies, as well as demonstrate U.S. strength and commitment in maintaining regional security. Through this mission, the U.S. reaffirms its involvement in the collective protection and defense of NATO. It is also a clear signal to countries planning to threaten or destabilize the region that the U.S. and its NATO allies are ready to protect their common interests. The B-1 aircraft has the capability to carry and launch a wide variety of weapons, including conventional and nuclear bombs. However, in this mission, the B-1 bombers were only conducting air patrols and did not involve the use of any weapons. The U.S. B-1 bomber mission at NATO borders is also part of the cooperation and coordination efforts between the U.S. and NATO member countries. In facing complex security challenges in this modern era, cross-border cooperation is an important key to achieving common goals in maintaining world stability and peace. With this mission, the U.S. shows its commitment to maintaining the security of the NATO region and protecting its strategic allies. The role of the B-1 bomber as a powerful and flexible military tool continues to be enhanced to deal with diverse threats in the future. Thus, the U.S. B-1 bomber mission at NATO borders is an important step in maintaining security and stability in the region, as well as establishing solidarity and cooperation with NATO member countries in dealing with existing threats. Through the active participation of U.S. B-1 bombers on NATO borders, the U.S. also wants to send a clear message to those who may doubt their commitment and defense capabilities. This aircraft is able to demonstrate the strength and responsiveness of the U.S. in maintaining regional stability. In addition, this mission is also an opportunity for the U.S. to train and increase the operational readiness of their troops. The B-1 aircrews were well-trained and had in-depth knowledge of the military tactics and strategies required in potentially threatening situations. Through this mission, the U.S. can also build trust and solidarity with NATO member countries. Close collaboration and coordination between the U.S. and NATO allies is the key to success in dealing with complex and diverse threats in this modern era. U.S. B-1 bomber missions on NATO borders could also help maintain the balance of power in the region. With a strong and skilled military presence, potential threats can be suppressed, and NATO member countries can feel more secure and protected. Furthermore, this mission also has a significant diplomatic aspect. The U.S., as one of the leading global powers, can take advantage of the presence of B-1 bombers to strengthen diplomatic relations with NATO member countries. It reflects the U.S. commitment to building strategic partnerships and promoting world peace. In order to maintain global security, the U.S. will continue to engage B-1 bombers and other military resources in various regions. The B-1 bomber mission at NATO borders is only one example of the efforts made by the U.S. to maintain stability and secure common interests. Overall, the U.S. B-1 bomber mission on NATO borders is an important part of the security strategy of the U.S. and its NATO allies. Through its presence and active participation, the B-1 aircraft can make a significant contribution to maintaining peace and stability in the region, as well as confirming the U.S. commitment to the common interests of its allies.